good mix of native Western New Yorkers and some visitors as well. Do we have another visitor too? Florida, one of the Floridians on board. Okay, everyone from again, since we're sailing on a body of water, those of you who might be wondering, how deep is this water? I can tell you two things. Those two lakes is kind of the sister lakes, because we not only have one great lake in our backyard, we do have two. The Lake Erie.
It's a nice little ride.
So if you consider that Lake Ontario,
The pump house of Buffalo.
and there's a distinct coloration, a distinct difference in color right
I don't know, 25 million gallons a day or something.
very much more noticeable when the sun stays set foot in the village of
They're
Buffalo.
saying this is Canada.
Entire village,
British
which
once took over, burnt a bunch of
little
stuff
over 500 people at the time.
during the
Everything was burned
Tea
except for
Party
three structures.
eras.
One was the residence of Mrs. St. John, the other was a jail, and the third was a
We're now in the Niagara River.
But other than that, the entire
Canadian territory.
village of Buffalo was burned to the ground during
Horseshoe Reef Lighthouse.
what's left. It's near skeletal bones. But the reason that I really enjoy going
They should take it down, I
as
think.
a preservationist is because even though it no longer functions as a lighthouse, look at the whole new purpose it's adopted for. And what that purpose is just a perfect place for a large
It's a bird
number of
sanctuary.
very prolific blackbirds here in the Erie called cormorants. And why do they love to congregate on the millions? Why did you say that? Because once we pass the red buoy, ladies and gentlemen, we are no longer on Lake Erie. We are on the river. And once we are on the river, guess what? We are in Canadian waters. So, nope, nobody's going to come on board and ask you where.
There's the Peace Bridge. I don't know how far we go. Let's see actually what time. Started at 11. Just got another half hour, I guess, going one way. They're saying this is Canada. British once took over, burnt a bunch of stuff during the Tea Party eras.
One was the residence of Mrs. St. John, the other was a jail, and the third was a...
We're now in the Niagara River.
But other than that, the entire
Canadian territory.
village of Buffalo was burned to the ground during...
I just missed that. We just went by that and I missed it. I'm playing on my phone like an idiot. There we go. Little pictures. Yeah, we're getting in the current of the Niagara River right now. Apparently this boat's got power to pull this crap. Oh, ain't no swimming over here. So when does this is when the current starts picking up? It gets crazier. We want to go too much. No. pretty powerful to haul back. Black Rock Lock.
$1 million back then, and today it is undergoing.
So it's to help us shoot that way. What are you from, out here or something? Right, where you do this? Oh, okay. Because this boat can't go against that current over there. Okay. So it's to push us back without burning all the fuel on the current. Should be releasing us. But I guess they'll know or something. I thought the water was going to drop.
Locked in the lock by the back gates. The front gates also have to open to let us continue on our cruise. And one other thing has to happen before we are free to bridge and sail some more. There is a swing span part of the International Railway Bridge. And again, remember that bridge dates back to 1873. And those that are sitting on the north side are going to get a really good look. And see that bridge is maybe showing just a little bit of its age. But anyway, let me tell you what happened during one of those.
The swing span bridge. That's a big electric motor to pull that. Now traffic can go through. Jeez, we're making bridges move over here.
For members and their guests only, and it appears once again we are getting ready to sail under one of my favorite landmarks, in case you haven't noticed. Okay, so if you continue to look out this again, since we're sailing on a body of water, for those of you who might be wondering, how deep is this water really seeing? I can tell you two things. Those two lakes is kind of the sister lakes, because we not only have one great lake in our backyard, we have two. Lake
It's a nice little ride.
So if you consider that Lake Ontario distance from where you exit the Miss Buffalo